while it might seem that homeschooling's definition is obvious in its name, homeschooling, and that you school your child at home, I still think it's really important for us to define what homeschooling is, especially in light of the fact that the parents who are watching this are thinking about homeschooling their child who has a disability or a special need.
Right. So again, you would think it's pretty obvious. It means homeschooling, but it's not as obvious as all that. And one of the reasons that it's difficult to do a very comprehensive analysis of homeschooling in a short period of time is because the law on it is sort of all over the place in a few ways. One, there really isn't any federal homeschooling law per se of children with disabilities. We don't have anything like that, or even
or
a
funds
lot of
that are allocated
funds
to
that
it.
are allocated for homeschooling. We have some Supreme Court decisions that give parents the constitutional right to homeschool, but it really isn't something that we can hook our teeth into a federal statute and understand what it means. So, for that reason, it's very state by state. The analysis depends on what your state law says. So it's kind of hard to say homeschooling is this because your state may define it, okay? The other thing is that it's very fact specific. And by that I mean you may have chosen to homeschool your child, meaning you have elected not to send your child to the public schools or avail yourself of the public funds or enroll your child in the public schools. But you may not actually be educating your child in your home. You may be educating your child with a group of other parents who are homeschooling their children. You may be having tutors. You know, there's lots of ways you may be choosing to educate your child other than in the home. So it's just not that easy to make a global analysis because the cases, as I said, are kind of all over the place.
Yeah, absolutely.